Have you ever wondered how the shiny gold, which is a symbol of beauty and wealth, transforms from deep inside the earth into a purified gold bar? In today's video, we will take you inside one of the world's most advanced gold factories. We will see how gold purity is carefully analyzed in laboratories and how dangerous blasting is carried out to extract raw gold by breaking through mountains. From drilling to crushing, and from refining to the creation of shiny gold bars, this complete journey is nothing less than an astonishing process. So let's begin this golden journey inside the 2-4K gold factory. 1. Laboratory analysis and digital monitoring. Gold refining process begins in a highly advanced, high-tech laboratory where strict measures are taken to test the quality and purity of the prepared gold. In the first image, we see an expert scientist wearing protective gloves, carefully holding a heavy and shiny gold bar in both hands. He examines the bar closely to assess its weight, surface texture, and visible color. This stage is important because 2-4K gold is identified by its specific shine and weight. Immediately after this initial inspection, the scientist places the gold bar on a special, clean white table. The environment here is strictly controlled, with strong lighting ranged so the scientists can analyze even the smallest imperfections or marks on the surface of the gold bar. Placing the gold on this table allows its physical properties to be examined more closely, which is an essential part of the refinement process. In the next image, the scene changes slightly. The scientist is now standing in front of multiple gold bars, with large digital monitors and high-resolution computer screens mounted on the wall behind him. These screens display various graphs, numbers, and technical data that are constantly updated. This advanced system analyzes the chemical structure of the gold and digitally confirms its 24K purity level. At the same time, live information related to market value and molecular data of gold is shown, ensuring that every gold bar leaving the factory meets international purity and quality standards. 2. Deep drilling and ground preparation. After strict laboratory testing of gold purity and quality, the most challenging and mechanical work begins, reaching the gold veins hidden deep underground. At this stage, a powerful industrial drill rig is brought to a rocky, mountainous area. The image shows this heavy drill machine piercing through solid rock with speed and depth using its powerful drill bit. This drilling is not random. Its purpose is to reach specific underground layers where raw gold ore is expected to be found in large quantities. As a result of this drilling process, clean, round, and carefully aligned deep holes appear on the rock surface. The shape of these holes and the distance between them are planned with great precision. These holes are created to place explosives, technical sensors, or cables needed for the next stage. This arrangement ensures that during blasting, the rocks break in a controlled direction, making gold extraction easier. The depth and exact location of these holes are selected by a team of experts. These specialists use geological maps and satellite data to accurately identify gold-rich areas. This entire stage is called ground preparation because without proper drilling and precise hole placement, extracting gold from underground would be impossible. These steps ensure that the next stage or extraction can be carried out in an organized and successful manner. 3. Wiring and blasting set up after the holes are drilled. They are prepared for the next stage. A special cylindrical device or packing is carefully inserted into these holes. After this, a long orange-colored cable or rod is seen running through the holes, extending outward and connecting to the control system. At the opening of the holes, thick copper wires are securely connected using mechanical joints and metal clamps. In the next image, these cables are further tightened and firmly fixed to the rock so that signal flow remains stable and the wiring does not move during blasting. 4. Controlled blasting and ore extraction. Once all wiring is completed, a massive and intense explosion takes place at the mining site. Flames and thick black smoke rise into the air as the rocks are shattered. As a result of the blast, large rock fragments are thrown forcefully into the air. When the smoke clears, a heavy excavator enters the site and begins collecting the broken rocks that contain raw gold. The excavator carefully loads these heavy rocks into the back of a large dumper truck. 5. Crushing and final processing planting, the final stage of the gold production journey. The dumper truck arrives at the crushing and processing plant carrying tons of heavy, gold-bearing rocks collected from the mining site. These rocks are unloaded into a powerful industrial crushing machine designed to handle extremely hard material. The crusher breaks the large stones into much smaller pieces, making them easier to process in the next steps. This stage is crucial because gold is still trapped inside the rock, and reducing its size allows the valuable metal to be separated more efficiently after crushing. The broken material is transferred onto a long, moving conveyor belt. This belt carries the crushed ore through different sections of the processing plant. As the material moves forward, it is continuously monitored to ensure a smooth and controlled flow. The conveyor system helps maintain speed, safety, and consistency throughout the operation. At this point, the crushed ore begins to spread evenly across the belt, allowing further treatment and cleaning. Next, the material enters the washing and separation area. Here, powerful machines use water, pressure, and mechanical motion to remove dust, clay, and other unwanted substances. The goal is to separate the gold-rich particles from waste material. Advanced sorting systems and filters are used to ensure that only valuable material moves forward in the process. In the refining section, the remaining gold-bearing material undergoes further treatment using heat and chemical processes. These steps remove any remaining impurities and increase the purity of the gold. Gradually, the gold is transformed into a molten state and then poured into molds. Once cooled and solidified, it takes the form of shiny gold bars. This final stage represents the successful completion of a complex and carefully controlled process, turning raw rock into pure, valuable to 4K gold ready for global markets. So friends, this was the complete journey from raw ore to a shiny 24K gold bar. We saw how modern machines and hard work are used to extract gold from the earth and turn it into pure gold bars. We hope you enjoyed this video. For more informative videos like this, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video. Let us know in the comments which factory process you would like to see next. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.